time now is 7 p.m. here in Singapore. So, mayroon pa po yung araw. So, parang 5 p.m. lang sa Pilipinas, yung 7 p.m. dito kasi yung araw ay hindi pa lumubog. So, kanina malakas ang ulan at hangin at ito po ang aking halaman na bulaklak kanina na tumba sa sobrang lakas na ulan at hangin. So, buti hindi nakadugtong-dugtong. So, tumayo din sila. So, maganda pa naman. So, yung bulaklak niya maganda rin at ito na rin sila. So, at yan pa ang aking sa kabila at dito po sa loob ng bahay namin. So, hindi pa dumating yung employer ko at 7 p.m. I don't know what time they come back and eat dinner. Maybe it's around 9 p.m. because they working a lawyer, and then some of the business it's like in America, it's not the same time here in Singapore. So like it's afternoon, evening here, it's a morning in America, UK, I don't know. So it's go in the morning, they go work at 10 a.m., 9 a.m. so they come back 8 p.m., 9 p.m. So like this. So now my flower it's so green. So happy sila kanina kasi naulanan. So the one thing here is my oregano. So pag may sipon ako ay kumukuha ako ng isang piraso at sisimutan sa ilong, mawawala yung sipon. So guys, so yan. So may sikat pa ng araw at 7 p.m. So yan guys, sikat pa ng araw yan guys. So, thank you for watching. So tayo ay magbabay na sa inyo. So thank you for watching guys. God bless you.